Hello again. Look, I made 12 dumplings for my breakfast. Then after I eat, I'll carry on hungry. So that's the dumplings I made. Now, I've got boiling water now. What I do, I'm going to put the dumplings inside the boiling water. If you overcrowd you, the dumplings is quite big. So what I do now, I'm going to put some salt in. Get some salt. This is my sauces. Getting me a salt is stop the dumplings broken apparently. So this show you the cupboard of my sauce. So well, of course this is pepper. So this is 5 spice, Chinese 5 spice. It's marinating, use marinating lots of meat, especially this dumplings means for the dumplings. I'll put some in. This is rice vinegar, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, olive oil, salt. And this is my green tea. This is white sugar. This is black sesame. Sometimes I just eat would duck in my hair. And then I have oyster sauce running low. I've got an apple cider vinegar there, so it's for my therapy. Behind that, the red one is a black bean, dried tin of black bean. There's also black things apparently we think is good for your kidney, which kidney is reflecting your hair. So now I'm very curious, try to eat more black things, black beans, black sesame, things like that. And okay, so now come to here, close the cupboard, come to here. Now we need to stir it on the bottom a bit, because otherwise it's sticky. But to be gentle, so don't let it. I think we need to be more water. Let's boil some water. A good job it's boiled. So we'll add some more water there. So now put some green tea. Make my therapy. So here's all the mix of turmeric, honey, cider vinegar. So now putting on the table. So this one for the ancestors first. This one put it here. So bean sprout salad, I boiled it quickly first. Put some salt and I didn't put salt. Light soy sauce and vinegar. That's all I put. So try to be healthier. Now we need to stir it again. So apparently, when you put the dumplings in the boiled water, it's not on the top. It's not on the top, but after about 3 minutes, they'll slowly come to the top. That means it's nearly done. So, well, in the old tradition, Chinese people say you dip some cold water once you reach nearly boil point. Dip a little bit cold water in. Wait and boil again, and put a little bit more. So do this 3 times. Put a little bit cold water 3 times. They all become boiling again. That means dumplings done. But I think this is almost done. So I give it. So look, it's boiling now. It's only minced pork and chive inside, really. So I'll show you. This is my mince. I forgot last night. I marinated it. I was going to make a video, but this was too late. It's very easy. So first of all, put the minced pork inside. I'll put oil first, which is olive oil or vegetable oil if you have. vegetable oil, and then put a little bit of sesame oil. You can get it from Chinese supermarket. And then I'll put light soy sauce, some oyster sauce, and some 5-spice powder, and then I'll stir it properly. Let's mix, and then this morning, before I put the chive in, I'll put a little bit of water, make it more tender, the meat more tender. Put about 2-3 spoons or 4 spoons of water in the minced pork, and stir them again. And now we'll put the chopped chive in, and put some more oil and sesame oil on the chive, and then mix it all up. Of course, you put salt in as well before put the chive in. Some salt, yeah, if you prefer salty. But in the chive you don't put salt. Okay, so now I think it's done now. So look, big dumplings. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get two out. This is this one. Can you see? I didn't let the dough settle too much because I'm hungry. So what I do, I use a knife, then chop and cut it open and show you what's this inside like. You see how lovely dumplings, and then you can eat. So I'm going to give you a try. Look, it's done. It's quite hot, so perfect. I'm quite good with how much things I put in. It always normally end up a very perfect amount. Okay then, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.